Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to this very special English lesson made just for you. Today, we are going to start a simple and beautiful journey to help you talk to people in English. If you are a beginner, if you feel shy to speak, or if you think your English is not good, do not worry. You are in the right place. You are not alone. Many people in the world are just like you, learning slowly, step by step. In this video, we will learn very easy English. We will use small and simple sentences. We will listen carefully. We will repeat together. We will speak with confidence. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help us learn. This is your time. This is your moment. Take a deep breath, smile, and get ready. Together, we will learn how to talk to people in English in daily life. So now, let's begin our journey with the first step: greetings and introductions. Remember, this journey is not only about learning English, it is also about becoming confident, becoming brave, and becoming proud of yourself. When you speak even one sentence in English, you are not just using a language. You are opening a new door in life, a door that leads to new people, new jobs, new dreams. So hold my hand and walk with me through this beautiful journey. Don't be afraid. You can do this. You will do this. And I am here to help you every step of the way. Also, think about this. Speaking English is not only for school or job, it is for life. When you travel, when you meet new people, when you go online, English helps you connect. You can make friends from other countries. You can understand songs and movies. You can read signs, menus, and messages. It gives you freedom. It gives you power. So be excited. Be curious. Be happy that you are learning something that will help you forever. When we meet someone, the first thing we do is say, "Hello." This is called a greeting. Greetings are very important because they are the first words we use when we talk to someone. If we greet someone with a smile and kind words, they feel happy and want to talk more. In English, there are many simple greetings you can use. For example, you can say hello, or hi, or good morning. If it is afternoon, you can say good afternoon. If it is evening, you can say good evening. All of these are polite ways to say hello. After greeting, we can say our name. We can say, "My name is Sarah," or "I am David." If we are meeting someone for the first time, we can also say, "Nice to meet you." This is a kind way to show you are happy to meet them. The other person can say, "Nice to meet you too." You can also share where you are from, like, "I am from India," or "I live in London." These are easy and friendly sentences. We use them every day in real life when we meet someone new. Let's look at a simple conversation between two people. Imagine a girl named Emma and a boy named John. They meet for the first time at a language school. Emma smiles and says, "Hello?" John replies with a smile, "Hi, how are you?" Emma answers, "I am good." "Thank you. What is your name?" John says, "My name is John." "And you?" Emma replies, "I am Emma. Nice to meet you." John says kindly, "Nice to meet you too." This is a very normal and polite way to begin a conversation in English. You can use this example in your real life. You can use it when you go to school, meet someone at work, or even when you talk to people online. You can also use it at a party, in a store, or at a new place. These sentences help you make friends and connect with people. Let's practice this together now. Listen and repeat slowly after me. Say it with confidence and speak loudly. Repeat after me. Hello, hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing these small sentences. When you say them every day, you will feel more confident speaking to people in English. And don't forget, each time you practice, your English gets a little better. Your voice becomes stronger. Your heart feels braver. And slowly, without even knowing, you start speaking English without fear. It becomes natural, like a smile. Now, let's talk about something very important: how to practice English with people and how to stay motivated every day. Many people ask, how can I speak English better? Or, how can I practice when I have no one to talk to? The answer is simple. You need to take small steps every day. Start talking to yourself in English. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I will speak English today." When you brush your teeth, say what you are doing. "I am brushing my teeth." When you eat food, say, "I am eating breakfast." This is rice and vegetables. You can also practice speaking English with your mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and smile. Look at your face. Pretend you're talking to a friend. Say, "Hello, my name is Ria. I am from India. I am learning English." This may feel strange at first, but it really works. Your brain will get used to speaking English. You can also record your voice. Use your phone to record what you say. Listen to it and try to make it better next time. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need to speak clearly and with confidence. To talk to people, start with small steps. Talk to your friends who also want to learn English. You can use simple apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. Join an English group or find a partner online. Say simple things like, "Hi, how are you?" or "What did you do today?" If you go to a shop or cafe, try to speak in English. You can say, "1 coffee, please," or "How much is this?" Every small conversation helps you grow. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start now. And if you feel nervous, remember this: the other person is not perfect either. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. So don't be afraid. Don't feel shy. People will not laugh at you. Most people will be happy to see you trying to speak English. They will support you and help you. Now let's talk about motivation. Sometimes we feel tired or lazy. We say, "I cannot do this. My English is bad. I make too many mistakes." These are negative thoughts. But the truth is, you are learning. You are growing. You are doing something good. Every day, you are better than yesterday. Look back at your first day. Maybe you knew nothing, but now you know how to greet people, how to say your name, and how to ask simple questions. That is amazing. To stay motivated, write your goal. Say to yourself, "I want to speak English in 6 months," or "I want to watch English movies without subtitles." Put this goal on paper and read it every day. Also, listen to English songs, stories, or short videos every day. Just 10 minutes is enough. Make English a part of your daily life. And here is a little secret. Motivation comes from success. When you say your first full sentence in English, you feel happy. When someone understands your English, you smile. When you can ask a question and get an answer in English, you feel strong. These small wins are your motivation. Collect them like little stars. Let each star remind you how far you've come. Remember, English is just a language. It is not magic. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. That means you must practice every day. Even 10 minutes is good. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Smile and say, "I can speak English. I am learning. I will not stop." You are strong. You are smart. And you are ready to talk to people in English. Let's keep going.